back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we will learn about Get Metadata activity in Microsoft Fabric Data Factory that retrieve the metadata for any data source. It can return the information such as column count, structure, whether the object exists if you select as a table or if you select as a file as a data source. If you specify folder path, then it can return the detail for child item. So let me show you with example. So before going forward, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started and create data pipeline. Let's select workspace. I am using here demo workspace and click here new item, and now let us create data pipeline. So let's click here on this and name it PL prefix as a data pipeline and name it metadata activity as a pipeline name. Click on create. Usually it does not take time. Now go to here home tab, you can see activity, run and view. So let's go to here activity tab and click here three dot, and under you can see here metadata and validation. Select here get metadata activity. We will learn all activity one by one in upcoming video. Now let's select here get metadata activity, and you can see here get metadata activity in canvas, and let's increase this, and you can see here general tab, name it here this activity as a get metadata demo, and here activity state here activated. If you want to deactivate, if you have more activity, then you can also click here to deactivate. For now I am activate this, and go to here setting and select here demo lakehouse, and you can also select more option, clicking on this more to select more data source. You can see here the new data source SQL Server database, Azure SQL database folder. For now I am selecting here demo lakehouse, which is created in this workspace, demo workspace. And now I am selecting here table root folder table. You can also select file. We will also see demo on this file. For now I am selecting here table, and let's select table name, one of the table name TVL city bike, and you can see here field list. So these are the field list. Column count exists. If table exists, then it show true. Or if table does not exist, then it show false. And you can see here structure of table. So for now I am selecting here exist, and go to here home tab and validate. Here is validation, pipeline validation is validated. Now click on run, save and run. Collapse this, and here you can see here successfully running pipeline, and you can also see here pipeline run ID, and let's wait for running. You can see here pipeline is succeeded, and click on output, and you can see here exist means true, means this table is exist. Okay, now if I write here, if you go to workspace, demo workspace, and click on this lakehouse, demo lakehouse, and you can see here TV city bike is available, so it's showing true in pipeline. Now I am using here TVL city bike demo, which is does not exist, and let's again run this, save and run. Now it should be show false, so it's still running. Let's wait for here pipeline is succeeded. Now let's see output. Now you can see here exist is a false. Now let's select more argument exist, let's see structure, and also let's see column count, and again save and saving, using this save button and run this pipeline. Now let's wait. Click here to refresh this pipeline, and now succeeded. It's take time only 6 seconds, and let's click on output. Here is this table does not exist, so not showing any structure and column count. So now let's correct this. Remove this demo underscore demo, and now this table exists in data lake, demo data lake, and now again save this and run again. Refresh using this arrow. Now in 10 seconds this pipeline is succeeded. Now let's see output. Now you can see this table is true, and these are the structure of table. You can see physical name, right ID, this is the right ID, column name, type string, and other detailed information about table. And at the end you can also see column count is 13. If you want to validate, go to here demo lakehouse, and you can see here column count, which is the 13 column count, and right ID is a column name, right table type started at. You can also see this column name here, right ID, right table type, and started at. Now let's again go to get metadata activity, and now instead of table I am selecting here file. Now let's browse one of the file, and let's select here sync folder, and in this sync folder I am selecting one of the file. Let us select this file. Okay, and now you can see here different argument. So you can see here exist, which is also available in table, item type, this is a new one, item name, last modified, and size. So let's now select here item name, and also select here item type, and also we want to select size. You can also select, let us select also last modified, and run this pipeline. Save and click on this run button to run. And this information you can use in other activity for lookup or any other. You can see item name, this is the file name, item name which is file name, last modified date, and size, this is the size of file in byte. Now again go to activity, and let's remove this file name and only select your folder. Now you can see different argument. So let's select and delete first, and now you can see here child item exist, item name, item type, last modified. So let's select here child item, which show the all file name in this folder available. So let's run this pipeline again, save and done. Running this pipeline. In 7 seconds it's succeeded, and now let's see child item, all file name available in this sync folder. You can see here using child item. Okay, so if you want to validate, go to here demo, and this is the sync, and these are the file name. So go to here, and you can also see this file name available in this folder, and this is also type here folder, and this is the file name, this is the folder name. So it's showing means child item means all the folder and file available in this sync folder. It's showing here subfolder name, this is folder, and this is file name. Okay, CSV file name, and type as a file, and this is type as a folder. Okay, so that is the get metadata activity in Data Factory in Microsoft Fabric. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.